Hi, in this video I want to go over quickly how to make a polygon with an SVG. So the polygon tag has the name polygon, self-closing. It's going to have the properties like fill, stroke, etc. that we looked at with other shapes. However, it's going to have a points property here, which is going to be what we're going to be most concerned about. This is what's different from, for example, a circle, which has a center and radius. This will just have points. So we'll have in the points property a bunch of comma separated points here, and then so an x and a y, and then a space, and then another x and a y. And so for each group of these will be a different point. And again, it'll be from this origin here, the top left, and each point, the browser will draw a line essentially between each point. If we had a stroke, it would do in the color of the stroke. And then when it gets to the last point, it will automatically go back to the first point. That's sort of the point of the polygon tag, is that it goes from the last point we specify to the first point and fills in that line and creates a polygon out of that. We can do sort of impossible shapes. So for example, let me think here. So if we were to do this, for example, this would give us sort of what's not actually a polygon, see, and that's because we specify a point that's way up or way outside of the actual polygon, and then it returns back to the first point, and so it ends up sort of cutting across itself. So you can specify like that points that aren't really real. However, in general, this is quite useful that it will return back to its original point.